Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 4K drone to capture stunning aerial footage, enjoy smooth flying performance, and get advanced features without spending a fortune, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026. From beginner-friendly foldable drones to premium camera drones with obstacle sensing and long transmission range, there's something here for every pilot and every budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. The Lenovo XT606 GPS drone is a powerful professional-style drone built for users who want high-quality aerial photography and stable flight performance. It features a 4K dual camera system with support for 8K HD imaging, giving you sharp and detailed footage from the sky. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety, while the Brushless Motors provide smoother, quieter, and more efficient performance. With GPS positioning and a Gimbal Stabilization system, this drone is a strong choice for capturing steady video and reliable outdoor flights. Pros: 4K dual camera system, supports 8K HD imaging, GPS flight positioning, 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, brushless motor performance, gimbal stabilization, professional aerial shooting capability, great for stable outdoor flying. Number 2. AERC AE60 Ultra Professional Drone. The AERC AE60 Ultra Professional Drone is designed for users who want advanced features and smooth control in one package. It comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K dual camera, GPS plus Wi-Fi FPV support for a more immersive flying experience. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance system adds extra confidence during flight, while the screen control feature makes it easier to manage your drone and view footage in real time. This model is a great option for creators who want a feature-rich drone for photography and video recording. Pros: 4K dual camera setup, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS and Wi-Fi FPV support, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, screen control functionality, professional drone features, smooth and stable aerial footage, great for content creators. Number 3. Lenovo GT8 Drone. The Lenovo GT8 drone is a versatile and foldable drone built for users who want strong performance and easy portability. It features an 8K professional dual camera, GPS positioning, FPV transmission, and brushless motors for stable and efficient flight. The optical flow hovering system helps maintain steady positioning, making it easier for beginners and casual users to capture smooth footage. With its folding design, the GT8 is convenient to carry and ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: 8K professional dual camera, GPS and FPV support, brushless motor system, optical flow hovering, foldable and portable design, stable flight performance, great for travel and outdoor use, easy to carry and store. Number 4. Potensic C0 Atom 2 Drone. The Potensic C0 Atom 2 drone is a compact and intelligent drone packed with modern features for aerial photography. It offers 4K video recording, 8K photo capture, and a 10K transmission range, making it a strong option for users who want both quality and distance. It also supports 2.7K vertical shooting, AI night shooting, and AI tracking features, which makes it especially useful for social media content and creative filming. Lightweight and beginner-friendly, this drone combines smart technology with excellent image quality. Pros: 4K video recording, 8K photo capture, 10K transmission range, 2.7K vertical shooting, AI night shooting, and AI tracking features, compact and lightweight design, great for beginners and creators. Number 5. DJI Mini 5 Pro Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro camera drone is one of the most advanced and premium options on this list. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K camera, Active Track 360, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer and smarter flight. The 225-degree gimbal gives you more creative shooting angles, while the 20-kilometer transmission range ensures excellent control and long-distance flying capability. Its ultra-light foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it's a fantastic choice for beginners who want professional-level performance. Pros: 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, 4K video recording, active track 360, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 225-degree gimbal rotation, 20-kilometer transmission range, ultra-light foldable design, excellent for beginners and advanced users. These are our picks for the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for a professional drone with advanced obstacle avoidance, a foldable travel-friendly model, a smart AI-powered camera drone, or a premium DJI option with top-tier features, each of these drones offers excellent value and performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.